Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F minor chord on your piano or keyboard. First, locate the note F, play this with your first finger. Locate the note A flat, play this with your third finger. And locate the note C, play this with your fifth finger. The F minor chord. Now, because the F minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the note F, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called F minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top. This is called F minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion moving the bottom note all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. And of course, you can go the other way, go downwards on the piano. This is the root inversion. Now move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is F minor second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. F minor first inversion. And move the top note to the bottom. F minor root inversion. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Root. First. Second. Root. Root, top note to the bottom. Second. First. Root. Okay, to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. And you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios like this. There you have it, the F minor chord, the F minor triad.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.